Friends, I wanted to do a very short and simple video about something I think is really cool about this Alesis Harmony Pro that you can get for less than 150 bucks, which I find is it's a fantastic keyboard. I think it sounds great, and it has a lot of, it's very feature rich. Backing tracks. Say you want to make a backing track for your guitar or whatever you want to develop an idea. I like to use this chord mode, and I like to play it. Now I don't know what, I'm not sure what background I've got, but it has a ton of backgrounds, like hundreds of them. So I go to a 2 chord, back to a 1 chord. Now I'm going to go to minor 6. I'm going to go to the 5. So the way this works, you hit a chord like C. Now, if I wanted to play a C minor, I'd go the black chord behind C here. If I wanted to play a C7, I'd play the first white note behind C. That's a dominant 7th. So in other words, you can play C, and we can do our A minor. We should be able to do like our 50s thing, F. Okay, let's stop just for a second. So you've also got fills and stuff in here, so you can do fills. Let me pick a different style. So I'm gonna go here and hit style, and I kind of like these. Somewhere in here they've got some like R&B stuff, pops, 16-bit. I don't know. This is number 23. I'm just curious what this sounds like. Chord mode. Am I still in chord mode? So this is a. I'm not in chord mode. D minor, C, C again, back to D minor again, back to C. I'm gonna go to A minor. If I want to do A minor 7th, F, back to C. Let me stop for a second. So what you do have, you've got, let's say we got A. Here's A chord, A minor 7th if you do all 3, or just A7. So you got majors, minors, minor 7ths, and dominant 7ths. And so it's really cool. So, you know, what I've not tried to do yet, let's try a different beat here already. Let's see, I have pop 16th. I have no idea what this is. Here's what I want to do. What if I play a song and hum to it, and just use the audio off of this camera? I've not tried this yet. I've got a Insta360X5 that I'm recording this, so not a very good recording. I'm gonna turn the volume up, but I'm just gonna hum a melody to it, and I wonder if the recording off of this could be run through Suno and developed into a really nice song idea or something. So let's give this a shot. Now the other thing too, you can hit the transpose button over here. There's a function key, and I don't know if you can see it from as far, but if I hit function, it goes to I've got it set to go to transpose. And I can go up or down. So I could, without having to, like, say I wanted to do an E, and remember it's F sharp minor, G sharp minor, B, and A. If I wanted just to stay in the C, if I just love the white notes, I can transpose that, and it works just fine with that too. So I can do a song in the key of E or F or, you know, B flat, whatever. But let's try coming up with an idea. And I'm just going to hum a little bit with my bad voice, and let's see if Suno could turn this into a really cool song or an instrumental idea. da, la da da da, la da da, da 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 da, la da 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 da. Let's see if something as simple as that, run through Suno, could be really an epic kind of maybe Celtic or something instrumental. I don't know.